Mehmet, can I have a word?
Sure, Jane. How can I help you?
Well, you know the airline is upgrading the fleet.
Yes.
I was wondering what's your opinion on the two options?
They're looking at the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A320, aren't they?
That's right.
Well, both of them are very sophisticated vehicles. They both use fly-by-wire technology.
Sorry, Mehmet. Can you just explain what fly-by-wire means?
In a fly-by-wire aircraft, the pilot maneuvers the aircraft by operating a computer. But in a conventional aircraft, the pilot uses a control column that is physically linked to the control surfaces.
So, if the A320 and 777 are both fly-by-wire, what's the difference?
The 777 has an override function.
I'm not sure what you mean by an override function.
Okay, it's a system that allows the pilot to ignore the built-in limits.
Okay.
On the other hand, the A320 has built-in protection.
What do you mean?
In other words, the Airbus computer doesn't allow pilots to do anything dangerous. There are limits on the Airbus to increase safety.
So, basically, on an Airbus, the computer has ultimate control, and on the Boeing 777, the pilot decides.
That's correct.
Can you give me an example?
For example, computers stop the pilot climbing more than 30 degrees so that the plane doesn't stall. And there are protections to prevent overspeed. That is, it stops the pilot from going faster than is safe.
So that makes it safer, right?
Well, in my opinion, when you fully automate and protect the system, you reduce the pilot's capability. To put it another way, sometimes the aircraft should allow manual control. I mean, you shouldn't limit the pull-up capability, for example, to miss another plane or the ground. At the Habsheim airshow, for example, built-in protection didn't allow the pilot to pull up, and the plane crashed. But sometimes built-in protection can prevent an accident. A Boeing 757 hit a mountain in Colombia because the crew didn't retract the speed brakes as they climbed. The speed brakes on an A320 retract automatically.
It seems that there are good arguments on both sides.
Well, yes, they're both extremely safe.